That's my nose. I'm not a puppy.
Oh, sorry.
She's tired.
No, no more smiles. I was taking a little short video. Thought maybe I'd catch one on camera.
Here's a dimple, though. Here's that dimple. Come on. Kylan. Why does it go down right there? Right here?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, so you get that right there.
Yeah.
When,
Right
when
there.
you breathe? Yeah, so if they were to do a tracheostomy, that's where they would do it. Right there. Okay, open your eyes! Open up! Open up!
Wakey, wakey. Wakey, wakey.
I'm too tired.
'Cause don't you know I sleep during the day?
Yeah.